Those teens were caught in the middle of that prostitution scene, sort of in this area, right where the Coney Island was. And their attorneys say that the actions by the officers can be described in one word: rogue.
There was no crime that was actually committed here. And we almost didn't believe the story of the young men when they told us this, what had occurred to them.
A prostitution sting by Detroit police is at the center of this lawsuit filed on behalf of two 17-year-olds and an 18-year-old. The cops were trying to lure Johns near this Coney Island on Warren. Police say the teens were arrested after trying to warn a potential customer to stay away.
Even if they were deterring a potential solicitation case, what's the crime in that?
It's what happened after the arrest that attorneys say is beyond belief. The car the teens were in was seized and towed away. The teens were then put in a cruiser that police drove at excessive speeds. And one of the cops posted a picture of one of the minors on social media.
It was a female officer who said, I'm going to put this on Snapchat, and wanted to snap one of her friends who might have known this youngster.
Attorneys say the cops drove the teens miles away from their arrest and told them to get out of the cruiser and walk home.
I am offended as much as I'm shocked that a badge of authority was used for that type of conduct.
The charges were later dropped. The attorneys believe their clients were harassed by police for no reason.
They're high school students, they're college bound, they don't use drugs, there was no drugs found, and they put them in a position where, look, now I feel like a criminal.
While police say that the young men were trying to get the attention of a potential John, the attorneys claim that the young men were actually trying to get the attention of a relative. Detroit police, citing the pending litigation, refused to comment for the story. Live in Detroit tonight, Curtis Jackson, 7 Action News.